Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be creating this beautiful glam makeup look. So if you do like the look, continue watching and do subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up button. This video is going to be more like a chit chat sort of a video where I will be explaining you how I have achieved this look. But also there are a few updates that I want to give you guys. So without any further ado, we'll get started. First, let's do the skin preparation and eye makeup, and then I will give you guys all the updates. First, I'm using this My Glam sheet mask, applying it on my face for 10 minutes. I'm gonna let it sit on my skin for 10 minutes and take it off. And I'm gonna let the serum absorb in my skin for another 10 minutes. Then we are starting with the makeup. First, using this minimalist moisturizer, I'm applying the moisturizer on my skin and massaging it really well. This moisturizer perfect for oily skin. Next, I'm using this Nykaa primer, applying it only on the areas where I have open pores, especially my T-zone. And finally, I'm going to apply a under eye cream which is from Mom's Co to hydrate my under eye area as well. Now I'm using the Maybelline concealer, applying it on the eyelids. And then I'm gonna apply this light brown shade from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold eyeshadow palette in the shade called Henna. Next, I'm using this black eyeshadow and applying it only on the outer corner of my eye using a eyeshadow blending brush. I'm just blending this really well, like so. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side of the eye as well and blending it really well. Now I'll be using the My Glam shimmer in the shade Her Royal Hotness and applying it on the eyelid area, and then I'm gonna apply it in the inner corner of the eye as well. So like I told you guys, I have few updates. The first one is that I will be shooting with the camera. Henceforth, this first video that I've shot is with the camera itself. So I got a little nervous and then I goofed up few things in the same video which I will be showing you guys, and we will be correcting it as well. So yeah, I'm taking a eyeshadow blending brush and blending the shimmer as well as the matte eyeshadow together here, and we will be repeating the same steps on the other side of my eye as well. So I'm gonna pick up the same shimmer and press it on to the eyeball area on the other side of my eye, and then I'm just taking a flat brush. So with the help of a flat brush, I'm just going to give a shape to the eye makeup like this. So this will make your eye makeup look very neat and clean. And finally, I'm just gonna blend in the shimmer as well as the matte eyeshadow together with the same brush. Next up, we will be doing a wing eyeliner. So create this beautiful wing eyeliner. I will be using an eyeliner from Inglot. So I'm using a gel eyeliner as well as an angled brush. First, we'll start with a basic eyeliner. So I'm starting from the center of my eyes and I'm just following it out in the outer corner area, and then I'm applying the same in the inner corner of my eye as well. So every time you want to create a wing eyeliner, it's better you go with a basic liner first and then create your wings. We are going to do the same thing on the other side of the eye as well. So the basic rule of applying the eyeliner is it can be thick from the center of your eyes, but the inner and outer corner of your eyes should be thin. Now I'm going to draw this wing. To create a wing, all you have to do is you have to draw a guideline from the lower lash line like this, and then you just have to get the kajal reverse like how I'm doing here. That is it. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side of the eye as well. Next, we are going to use this green kajal. Now to blend this kajal out, I'm going to use a pencil brush and using the shade Cocoa from the same Huda Beauty palette, which is a dark brown shade, I'm blending it out. Now finally we will be highlighting our eyebrow bone and inner corner area. I'm using the shade called Moonlight from Huda Beauty, but you guys can use any highlighter. We'll be doing the same on the other side of the eye as well. Now we will be starting our face makeup. So first I'm going to correct my face using an orange corrector, which is from Pack Cosmetics in the shade Rusty Orange. I'm applying this in the areas where I have a lot of pigmentation, which is my mouth area, under eye area. So if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I like to blend my orange corrector with my finger. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to use my finger and dab the orange color corrector in my skin like this. Now this is where I did my second go up, you guys. So I was supposed to apply the foundation which is from Nykaa in the shade Chestnut, which is like exactly my skin tone foundation. But in the morning what I did was I was using a foundation which was slightly lighter on my skin, and I used the same brush accidentally to apply foundation today, so which you guys are gonna see now. So since there was already a light foundation on my brush and then I used this foundation from Nykaa, it made my face completely gray because the foundation was not matching my skin tone, and I didn't realize it until I saw the screen of my camera. In person it wasn't looking that bad, but on camera my skin started looking very gray, like absolutely gray. So yeah, I was pretty shocked, you guys can see. Now I will show you guys how to correct that also. So I'm going to use a darker shade of concealer. I'm using the concealer from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 50 Cafe. So what I'm doing is I'm adding the concealer on the under eye area like this, and I'm gonna apply the same concealer on the forehead area as well, and also I'm going to apply the same concealer on my mouth area. Now instead of using the same brush which made my face gray, I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend this out really well. So for the beauty blender I'm using the beauty blender from Color Bar, and I'm just dabbing this. Today I had no plans of keeping my base like, you know, a proper high coverage, but since I did something like this I had to go for a high coverage. And I'm going to use the Nykaa's foundation, the chestnut same foundation, and I applied another layer of it to balance out everything. Now using the Eye Magic palette, I'm contouring my face, that is on the lowest point of my cheekbones, jawline and forehead. And then I'm applying blush on my cheeks. And then I'm gonna apply the highlighter on the highest points of my cheekbone, tip of the nose, start of the nose, and also on the Cupid's bow. You can also apply it on the forehead and chin. Since my forehead is broad, I skip using highlighters on my forehead, and since I have a round face I still don't highlight my chin also. Now I'm going to set my face with powder. So for powder I'm using this powder from K Beauty. It is a translucent powder, and applying it on the entire face and setting my face with it. Now for the lipstick I'm using this Pack Cosmetics lipstick. All the products have been mentioned in the description below, so you guys can have a check. Now here another thing happened was, I don't know what went wrong with my lenses, but suddenly I wasn't able to see anything. Everything looked so blurred to me. So when I was applying this lipstick, I was like literally I had no idea what's wrong with my lenses. But yeah, this is the final outcome, you guys. So if you did like the video, give me a thumbs up, and I will be coming up with more such videos. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and do follow me on my Instagram as well. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Take care, you guys. Bye bye.